Hello, flashlight people. This Surefire Defender light is my essential light for winter deer hunting in the mountain when I was lost. In the snowy night, snow falling night, surrounding brightness is really annoying to prohibit my distant viewing. This TIR lens made no spill genuine throwing light is very useful for my survival winter hunting flashlight. Oh, I once thought this was great. 410 lumen Jetbeam PC20. But now I don't think so. This bottom hole is generous. This cutout is large enough for my thumb. Side pushing like this is possible. But that's all. This 410 lumen brightness is not so much bright compared to this E2D Defender. And the critical point is the strobe mode is not in this full twisted position, loosened position. It is this strobe is irregular and not very effective and not easy accessible, no good as a tactical light. If it was brighter than this one, it was okay, but not so bright. This one much brighter, searchlight. I purchased a small version too, but the same function as this one. Not very impressive. Not worth the money. Not worth paying the money. It's a newcomer here. Cree X123, powered by CR123 battery, 2 cell. X is high power version. Look at this shallow reflector, orange peel reflector, and large LED compared to this deep, smooth reflector with a small LED. They say it's premium R5 LED. It's bright enough regardless of this smallness. This strobe is very effective. This strobe is slow. This is neutral white color LED. I happened to get this neutral white version. But this light brightness is very user-friendly. Warm color, natural, neutral white. This is tactical white, bluish white. Its strobe mode is really annoying. I once lighted by this flashlight. I actually felt dizziness. I was not able to stand up again. It's a very strong strobe. Anyways, each flashlight has each purpose, area light, and a tactical spotlight. So I love the both lights, purposeful lights. These two has the same character. 4Sevens, Cree X123, regular Cree, not Cree X. Full covered bottom. It is the regular Cree. They have tactical Cree too, which has a protruding bottom. And the tactical version is rather complicated to handle. This is very simple. Instant activation of the strobe mode. This one too. And the both strobe are very fast, effective strobe. Pretty much the same flashlight. The difference is just the design and the coloration. A bit grayish black. It's a genuine black. And denting, grooving here for maybe for this cigar holding. This distance is a bit short for my hand, but for a girl or a lady, it's good. But quality looking more. This one, Fenix PD20. So my preference is this one, PD20. Anyhow, let's see the actual writing. First, this one, Defender, very spotty, no spill at all. And this one, PC20 Jetbeam, wider, and it has a spill. This is much brighter. This looks to have a dark spot in the center of the hot spot. Real bright thrower. Okay. And this comparison is very interesting. Cree X123 in neutral white LED and premium R5 LED PD30. It's PD30. Good spill for the urban tactics and spotty hot spot and wide hot spot, homogeneous, very natural lighting in this evenness and this coloration, bright color, spotty. This strobe is very effective. This strobe is not very effective. It's a house light, kind of useful light. It's a tactical light. I love the both lights. I'm a greedy man. But this is my wife's and this is my girl's. My girl's bedside tactical light. My wife's daily utility light. This is my girl's EDC light, Fenix PD20. This is my wife's handbag light. My lady always carry a handbag. This is for neck carry and EDC in my house, or my lady is busy with neighborhood shopping or such. So this is very useful, very floody light, warm color. This is my essential EDC, especially in winter. And these two, I don't know. Anyway, happy life is surrounded by good stuffs. Get rid of no very good stuff. It's important to be surrounded by all good stuffs. This is the best way of living, in my opinion. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.